Adding custom fields to products on Shopify allows you to collect additional information from customers or display unique product details. While Shopify's default product setup doesn't include custom fields, you can achieve this through various methods, including apps or manual coding. Here's a guide. Use an app. Explore the Shopify App Store for apps that enable custom fields for products. Look for apps like Product Options and Customizer or Infinite Product Options that offer customizable fields. Install and configure the chosen app according to your requirements. Manual coding. For advanced users comfortable with coding, you can add custom fields through Shopify's theme editor. This typically involves modifying the product template to include HTML input fields for custom data. Ensure to follow Shopify's guidelines and best practices for theme customization. Edit product descriptions. As a simpler alternative, you can utilize the product description field to add custom details or instructions for customers. This is useful for providing additional information about the product or collecting specific details during checkout. Third-party integration. Consider integrating with third-party platforms or tools that support custom fields and syncing data with Shopify. This can streamline the process of managing custom information across your store.